Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not already subscribed it, please do subscribe it. In this small video, we are going to talk about a very common question that's normally asked in the interviews. That is how to find a second highest salary from a table, or technically we can say how to find a second highest value in any of the columns in a table. Now, this can be achieved in so many ways, but I'm going to practically demonstrate in this video how we are going to find a second highest salary from a column within a given table. So stay tuned and watch the whole video. So let's practically see how we can find out the second highest salary from a column within a given table. So let's assume I have a table, an EMP table. If I run this, let's start from EMP. So I get a few columns, EMP number, employee name, job, and so on. There is also a column called as a salary column. Now, if I use, for example, order by salary and I say descending, now what happens is if I run this, the number of rows, they would remain the same, but the order of the rows is changed as I'm ordering the rows in the form of a salary, and that too in the descending order. So it means the highest salary comes first and then the decreasing order is there. Now, as a part of the requirement, what they are asking us to do is that is to find out the second highest salary. So not the maximum one, rather the second highest salary. Now, the way I'm going to do this, you can not only find the second highest salary, if you just expand on the same principle and expand the query, you could find the third highest, the fourth highest, and so on. So let's again write down what exactly we want to find out. So we want to find out the second highest salary from the employee table. Now, how we are going to do here is, so if I say select max salary from employee, now this is going to give me the maximum salary from the employee table. Now this looks good because we can find out the maximum salary, but we are not interested in the maximum, rather one less than the maximum. It means the second highest salary. So what I can use is I can do the same query, use the same query within as a subquery, and I can use another one. I say select start from employee where salary, let's say, less than the select, which is my subquery. So I can use this, and that would be used as the part of the subquery. So what happens is the subquery runs first, which is select max salary from EMP. It gives me 5,000, and then the outer query runs, which is select star from employee where salary less than that. So I'll be able to get all the employees who are getting salary less than the maximum salary. So if I run this, so we'll get now 13 rows rather than 14 because we are not getting that. And in order to build that, so we'll just say order by salary and descending. So if you see now, the second highest salary is this one, right? The 3,000. And we have two people out here, those who are getting the second highest salary. So one is Scott and one is Ford. These are the two people. So now, because I have a data set where all the people are there with the salaries less than the maximum salary, and if I find out the maximum salary from this subset, in fact, I'll get the second highest salary. So if I just use the max and the salary from this, and then I try doing this and I run this, so it's in an order by clause. Okay, so let's, because I'm using a group by clause, so I'll just use a max salary and then run that. So it gives me 3,000. So that's actually the maximum salary, which is like the second highest salary, one less than the 5,001. Now, if you want to display, let's say, other information as name or anything, because those things cannot be displayed in the form of a group by, it is difficult. So what we can use is we can use one more query. So we can say select star from employee where cell is equal to, and I can just pass on this whole subqueries within that. So you would be able to get the details of the employees, and there are two people who are getting the second highest salary, that is Ford as well as Scott. Now this way you are able to display the information of those employees and even the salaries and other details. Now taking this approach, you could also try out, and I'm not actually going to explain it over here, but if you can find out the third highest, the fourth highest, or the fifth highest, you could do that by just expanding on the same principle. So I just use two queries to find out a second highest. If I just use one more query on the top of this, I could find out a third highest salary also. I hope you are getting it and you'll try at your own level and would be able to find out the third highest. So guys, please do let me know your experience when you try to find out third or fourth or whatever the highest salary you want to find out from the employee from any of the tables, or this in fact helps you to find out a second highest or a third highest value within any column, which is an integer or a numeric column within a given table in the SQL Server. I hope guys you would like this video. This was one of the videos where a lot of people asked me to do this video on the second highest salary, because it is normally a kind of a question that's normally asked to the database developer's job or data analyst job. Thank you guys. I'll be coming back with one more video or another videos in the future. So stay tuned and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.